Hi, this is Visi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to find saved messages on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Telegram is a popular messaging app known for its features and flexibility. However, managing messages, especially saved messages, can sometimes be tricky. So in this video, I will show you how to access your uh, saved messages on Telegram. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. From here, if you have too many conversation and you can't find the saved message, you can just select on the up right corner on the three dots over here. You can select on that to easily access your saved message. You can select on that on the three dots over here, and you'll find there is an option save messages. You can just select on that. So now you can access your uh, save the message on Telegram easily. It's very simple, right? So you don't need to scroll into your conversation on your Telegram. You can just go to the thread that's over there and you can open your saved message. So that is how to find saved messages on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.